LaserOS Mobile just keeps getting better and better. The interface is simple. From the main menu, starting at the top, you have the autoplay button, the effects selector, and the settings menu. The autoplay button automatically plays a set of laser projections based on your selections. When autoplay is enabled, only autoplay-compatible apps are shown. Apps are included or excluded from autoplay laser shows by tapping and holding on the app. When the app is grayed out, it is deselected and excluded from autoplay. Autoplay settings such as shuffle, loop, and cycle duration are found at the bottom right. Next to the autoplay button on the main screen is the effect selector. You can cycle through effects with the right or left arrows, or see all of the effects options by tapping on the selected effect text between the arrows. The effects screen gives you even more options. Tap on the X number to set the number of effects which are applied simultaneously. Set the intensity of effects by tapping on the lightning bolt. Random effects and color effects give you many options affecting the colors and shapes of your projections. Going back to the main screen, tapping the gear icon at the top right of the screen takes you to the settings menu. When the settings screen is active, the gear icon becomes blue. The settings menu has many important features for your laser projector. At the top, tap on the text or the down arrow to access the settings submenu, which lists all of the settings pages. The image settings page allows you to set things such as power level, zoom or scale, position, rotation, and more. These settings affect the way your laser show is projected. The color balance settings menu allows you to set saturation levels, gamma, and more. The safety zones menu allows you to set up zones within your projection area where the laser will not scan. There is a strobe settings menu for strobe functionality, a color settings menu for more color options, an audio menu for sound settings, a general options menu for options like adult content, and a colorize menu for even more color settings to enhance your apps. Tapping the settings gear icon once again takes us back to the main menu. In the center of the screen, we see the apps. The number of apps shown is based upon whether autoplay is selected. With autoplay deselected, all available apps in LaserOS are displayed. There are apps such as abstracts, visualizers, dancers, and many more. There are so many apps you have to scroll down to see them all. You can enter an app submenu by tapping on it. This will display all of the projection choices within that app. For example, in the Visualizers app, you can see all of the visualizers available to you. Note that within an app's menu, you can also autoplay selections with the shuffle, cycle, and duration settings. As on the main menu, projected items are included or excluded from autoplay by tapping and holding. There is also a convenient toggle feature at the top of the app menu which allows you to select all or none of the items in the app. That way, you can start with nothing and only add the items you wish to display. At the bottom of the screen, the eye icon will show you on your device screen what your selected item will look like when projected. The BPM number next to the eye icon sets the beats per minute, allowing you to set audio reactive effects to the beat of your music manually or automatically. In the center of the bottom screen, we have the play button, which kicks it all off and plays your laser show. You can use the buttons on either side of the play button to skip to the next or previous item. This is more than enough to get you started with LaserOS, and we encourage you to explore even further. Let us know if you have any questions or feature requests. Enjoy the laser show!